Hello everybody, it's down to me to do the update, so bear with me. I'm not as good as Rosie, she's just the best at this stuff. So the last few weeks we've been mainly, well, getting the pool ready, sorting out the outside kitchen, and Rosie's been getting a new job, and the last few weeks she's been training, and this is her first full week on her own, or as the French would say, toute seule. And she's really enjoying it. It's a massive change, but everything seems to be going okay. And I've been trying to get the pool up and running because it's so hot. We're so lucky that we got it up and running, because the last few days has been between 38 and 41 degrees. So here's some videos of getting the pool ready. Okay, so this is the state of the pool at the moment. It is surrounded by stinging nettles because we haven't done anything to it. The water is black.
Your fault, Dave.
Yep, it's my fault. So we're going to clear it.
Yes, because Dave said, well, October last year, I said, right, we need to empty the pool and dismantle it. And they said, no, we don't need to do that.
But we did.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now we're paying, well,
yeah.
Everyone's paying
the
price.
Right, fine, Dave, you can be in charge of it then. And guess what? I'm doing it again.
My plans worked. Also, just finishing off the mowing, which is hot work. Alright, so we got some new hoses. Which I'm just there's the first one on the pool. Not on the pump, but it's on the pool. Just tighten it up. The pump is on and working. I've dumped loads of chlorine in the pool, so I'll just let that filter for a few hours, come rinse the filter, backwash it, keep going until the pool's clear, then test all the pH levels and keep adding chlorine until everything in the pool floats to the surface and I can skim it all off. Look, it is now kind of a milky green. Still a little bit green and scummy, but it's definitely a lot better than it was. So it should only take a few more days. Okay, so we've bit the bullet, and it wasn't getting it much clearer, so we've drained most of the water out. And now we're refilling the pool. It's been filling now for about 18 hours, and we're nearly, well, we're over halfway. So there's some stuff left on the bottom of the pool still, but I'm going to not a load. I'm going to suck that back to waste through the filter, and I also want to get a skimmer, which would be very handy. Okay, pool's back on and it's looking pretty good. So yeah, there we are, ready to rock and roll. Still got another hour and a half for filling up, and then it'll be completely done. It's only taken like a week and a half. Pool's looking great though, check it out. And we've got a skimmer. Rosie has also got the outside kitchen ready so that we can cook outside without heating up the house, which is amazing. And we've got a few bits and pieces to get on with. I mean, we've got Rosie's family coming at the end of July, so we're going to be getting ready the bathrooms and the outside areas, so yeah, stay tuned for some of that. Anyway, I know it's a short update, but I hope everyone's well and you're all having a good time. Okay, so that's the video pretty much done. So what I'll do now is I will leave you with a little bit of our gig, Le Jeudi Soir, playing at the Auberge de Pêcheurs in La Selle d'Ormoise. Okay, enjoy. See you next time.
Because it's awesome. Now is the life I'll always